Thinking about a career in IT? Want a degree that's flexible, affordable, and recognized nationwide? But confused about IGNOU BCA? You're not alone. Every year, thousands of students ask, what will I actually learn? Can I work while studying? Is attendance compulsory? Will companies hire me with a distance degree? What about the fees? Well, today, all your questions end. Welcome to Rapid Readouts, IGNOU Edition, your complete guide to the Bachelor of Computer Applications, BCA program. I'm your name, and in the next 15 minutes, we're covering complete 6th semester syllabus breakdown credit system explained, what those numbers actually mean, practical lab requirements, the truth about attendance assignment and exam strategy, how to pass with flying colors, career prospects, where BCA graduates actually work, plus a comprehensive FAQ answering every question you've ever had. This is based on the official IGNOU BCA program guide. No rumors, just facts. So grab a notebook because you're about to get complete clarity on your BCA journey. Let's begin. Part 1. What is IGNOU BCA? The big picture. The Bachelor of Computer Applications is IGNOU's flagship IT program designed specifically for students who've completed 10+2 and want to enter the computing world. Key objectives: open doors to IT careers, entry-level jobs in IT and IT sectors, build strong foundations, from basic computers to advanced programming, prepare for higher education, direct pathway to MCA, Master of Computer Applications, flexible learning, perfect for working professionals and remote learners. Critical details you must know: duration, minimum 3 years, 6 semesters, maximum 6 years to complete translation. You have flexibility. Life happens. Job, family, health issues. You get 6 years maximum to finish all courses. Medium of instruction: 100% English. All study materials, exams, assignments. No Hindi option available for BCA. Recognition: IGNOU is a central university established by Parliament. Degrees recognized by AIU, Association of Indian Universities, at par with all other Indian universities. Meaning, your degree is as valid as any regular college degree. Companies, government jobs, higher education, everywhere it's accepted. Fee structure: approximately R4,500 per semester, total for 3 years, around Rs27,000. Compare this to regular colleges charging Rs50,000, Rs150,000 per year. But here's the important note: fees are subject to change. Always verify with your regional center for the latest fee structure. Who is BCA perfect for? Students who completed 10+2 with maths, working professionals wanting IT skills, those who can't afford regular college fees, students in remote areas without good colleges. Anyone wanting flexible, self-paced learning. BCA opens the IT door, regardless of your background. Part 2. Understanding the credit system. This confuses many students, so let's make it crystal clear. What is a credit, according to IGNOU? 1 credit: 30 hours of student study time. Not classroom hours. Study hours. The BCA program. Total courses, 39 courses. Total credits, 99 credits. Quick math, 99 credits, x 30 hours, MUV 2,970 hours of total study, divided by 3 years, 1,990 hours per year. Divided by 12 months, Major 82.5 hours per month. Divided by 30 days, Major 2.75 hours per day. So realistically, if you study 3 hours daily consistently, you'll complete BCA comfortably in 3 years. Credit distribution. By course, different courses have different credits. 2 credit course, Shafin 60 hours study time, smaller subjects. 3 credit course, 90 hours study time, standard theory. 4 credit course, 120 hours study time, major subjects. 8 credit course, 240 hours study time, final project. Why does this matter? When planning your semester, if you have 2 courses x 4 credits, got 8 credits, 3 courses x 3 credits, got 9 credits, 1 course x 2 credits, IG got 2 credits, total 19 credits, 570 hours of study needed that semester. Divide 570 hours by 6 months, 95 hours per month, 3+ hours daily. Pro tip: don't underestimate small 2 credit courses. They still need 60 hours of focused study. Many students fail these because they think, it's just 2 credits, I'll manage. Every credit counts toward your degree. Part 3. The complete 6-semester journey. Let's walk through exactly what you'll study, semester by semester. Semester 1. Building Foundations. FAQ 02. Foundation course in English 2. 4 credits. Communication skills, essay writing, comprehension, real use, professional emails, reports, presentations. ECO 01. Business organization, 3 credits. How companies work, business structures, real use, understanding the business side of IT. BCS 011. Computer basics and PC software, 3 credits. Hardware, software, networking basics, real use, foundation for everything in IT. BCS 012. Basic mathematics, 3 credits. Algebra, matrices, calculus, real use, programming logic, algorithm design. BCSL 013. Computer basics and PC software lab, 4 credits. 100% practical. MS Office, Internet, basic troubleshooting, real use, office productivity skills. Semester 1. Total, 17 credits. Semester 2. Introduction to Programming. ECO 02. Accountancy 1. 3 credits. Basic accounting principles, real use, understanding financial software. MCS 0111. Problem solving and programming, 3 credits. C programming fundamentals, real use, your first coding language. MCS 022. Computer organization and assembly language, 3 credits. How computers work at hardware level, real use, understanding system architecture. MCS 0013. Discrete mathematics, 2 credits. Logic, sets, graph theory, real use, database design, algorithm analysis. BCSL 021. C programming lab, 2 credits. Hands-on C programming, real use, building actual programs. BCSL 022. Assembly language lab, 1 credit. Low-level programming, real use, understanding how software talks to hardware. Semester 2. Total, 14 credits. Semester 3. Data structures and databases. MCS 021. Data and file structures, 4 credits. Arrays, linked lists, trees, graphs, real use, foundation of all software development. MCS 023. Introduction to database management systems, 3 credits. SQL, database design, real use, every app needs a database. MCS 0014. Systems analysis and design, 3 credits. How to design software systems, real use, planning before coding. BCS 031. Programming in C++, 3 credits. Object-oriented programming, real use, modern software development. BCSL 032. C++ programming lab, 2 credits. Practical, C++ coding, real use, building object-oriented applications. BCSL 033. Data and file structures, lab, 2 credits. Implementing data structures, real use, real-world algorithm practice. BCSL 034. DBMS lab, 2 credits. SQL queries, database creation, real use, managing actual databases. Semester 3. Total, 19 credits. Semester 4. Advanced programming and web. BCS 043. Statistical techniques, 3 credits. Probability, distributions, hypothesis testing, real use, data analysis, machine learning prep. MCS 024. Object-oriented technologies and Java, 3 credits. Java programming, real use, enterprise applications, Android apps. BCS 041. Fundamentals of computer networks, 4 credits. TCP, IP, routing, network security, real use, understanding how internet works. MCS 015. Communication skills, 2 credits. Business communication, real use, professional workplace skills. BCS 042. Introduction to algorithm design, 2 credits. Algorithm efficiency, complexity, real use, writing optimized code. BCSL 043. Java programming lab, 2 credits. Hands-on, Java coding, real use, building Java applications. BCSL 044. Statistical techniques, lab, 1 credit. Practical statistics, real use, data analysis tools. BCSL 045. Algorithm design lab, 2 credits. Implementing algorithms, real use, problem-solving practice. Semester 4. Total, 19 credits. Semester 5. Software engineering and web programming. BCS 051. Introduction to software engineering, 3 credits. SDLC, testing, project management, real use, Professional Software Development. BCS 052, Network Programming and Administration, 4 credits. Socket Programming, Network Management, Real Use, Building Networked Applications. BCS 053, Web Programming, 2 credits. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Real Use, Building Websites. BCS 054, Computer-Oriented Numerical Techniques, 3 credits. Numerical Methods, Simulations, Real Use, Scientific Computing. BCS 055, Business Communication, 2 credits. Professional Writing, Presentations, Real Use, Corporate Communication Skills. BCSL 056, Network Programming Lab, 2 credits. Practical Network Coding, Real Use, Client-Server Applications. BCSL 057, Web Programming Lab, 2 credits. Building Actual Websites, Real Use, Your Web Development Portfolio. BCSL 058, Computer-Oriented Numerical Techniques Lab, 1 credit. Implementing Numerical Algorithms, Real Use, Mathematical Problem Solving. Semester 5. Total, 19 credits. Semester 6, Specialization and Final Project. BCS 062, E-Commerce, 2 credits. Online Business Models, Payment Gateways. Real Use, Building E-Commerce Platforms. MCS 002, Operating System Concepts and Networking Management, 4 credits. OS Internals, Process Management, Real Use, System Administration, DevOps. BCSL 063, Operating Systems Lab, 2 credits. Hands-on OS Commands, Real Use, Linux, Unix Skills. BCSP 064, Project, 8 credits. Major Software Development Project, Real Use, Your Portfolio Piece for Job Interviews. Semester 6, total, 16 credits. Includes 8 credit project. Grand total, 99 credits across 39 courses. That's your complete roadmap. Part 4, how you'll actually learn. IGNOU is not like regular college. The system is completely different. The learning mix: 1. Self-instructional print material. Primary source, 70%. Study materials divided into blocks and units. Each block covers related topics, written in self-explanatory style, includes exercises, activities, solved examples. How to use it. Read unit objectives first. Go through content actively. Solve in-text questions. Attempt self-assessment questions. Check your answers. 1. Audio, video content. Supplementary, 10%. Available at study centers. Clarifies difficult concepts. Provides visual understanding, especially helpful for programming and networking. Also available: Gyan Darshan, Educational TV Channel. Gyan Vani, Educational FM Radio. Egyan Kosh, Online Repository. 1. Counseling sessions. Support, 10%. Held at study centers, usually weekends. Face-to-face doubt resolution. Academic counselors guide you. Important distinction. For theory courses, attendance is not compulsory, but highly recommended. Use it to clear doubts, discuss difficult topics. For practicals or lab courses, attendance is compulsory. Minimum 70% attendance required. Without 70%, you cannot appear for term and practical exam. This is non-negotiable. 1. Online learning platform, 10%. Egyan Kosh. Download study materials. Web-enabled academic support, BUES. Online resources. Discussion forums. Interact with other learners. Real student approach. Successful students do this. Week 1 to 2. Read the block thoroughly. Week 3. Attempt exercises and assignments. Week 4. Attend counseling for doubt clearing. Week 5. Revise and prepare for next block. Repeat this cycle for each block unit. Common mistakes to avoid: skipping self-learning material and only relying on counseling. Not attending lab sessions leads to ineligibility. Waiting till the last minute to start assignments. Not utilizing online resources. Remember, this is distance learning. You're the driver, not a passenger. Part 5. How you'll be evaluated. The make or break section. Listen carefully. This determines whether you pass or fail. The evaluation formula. Every course has 2 components. 1. Assignments, 25% weightage. 2. Term-end examination, 75% weightage. You must pass both to successfully complete a course. Assignments, the 25% you cannot ignore. Critical rules. Submission is compulsory. Without submitting assignments, you cannot appear for term-end exam. No assignment, no exam eligibility. Viva voce is mandatory. After submitting, you must attend a Viva oral examination. If you submit but miss the Viva, it's treated as not successfully completed. Submission. Plum. Viva. Complete assignment. Deadlines are strict. Check the IGNOU website for exact dates. Late submissions may not be accepted. Plan ahead. Assignment writing strategy. What examiners look for. Understanding. Not just copying from study material. Examples. Real-world applications. Diagrams. For technical concepts. Presentation. Neat handwriting. Proper formatting length. Adequate coverage. Usually 5 to 7 pages per question. Structure of a good answer. 1. Introduction. Define key terms. Context. 2. Main body. Detailed explanation with examples. 3. Diagrams or charts. Visual representation if applicable. 4. Conclusion. Summarize key points. 5. References. If you used external sources. Pro tips. Write in your own words. Avoid copy-paste. Use black-blue pen only. No pencil, no fancy colors. Leave margins on both sides. Number your pages. Write assignment code clearly on the first page. Term End Examination, TE. The 75% challenge exam. Schedule. Conducted twice a year. June for Jan-June semester. December for July DEC semester. Exam. Pattern. Duration. 3 hours. Theory. Exams. Written descriptive answers. Practical exams. Lab-based, hands-on tasks. Marks. Varies by course. Usually 75 marks for theory. Passing criteria. You must score minimum 40% in both. Assignments, out of 25. Term-end exam, out of 75. Example, if you score 20 to 25 in assignment, but 25-75 in exam, 33%, you fail. If you score 10-25 in assignment, 40%, and 45-75 in exam, 60%, you pass. Both components must individually cross 40%. Exam preparation. Strategy. 3 months before. Complete all blocks. Make notes. Solve previous year papers. Last 5 years minimum. Identify high-frequency topics. 1 month before. Start revision. Focus on important questions. Practice writing answers. Time yourself. 1 week before. Final quick revision. Memorize diagrams. Formulas. Stay calm. Sleep well. Common exam. Mistakes. Writing too short answers. Examiners expect detail. Not attempting all questions. Poor handwriting. Make it readable. Missing diagrams in technical subjects. The formula is simple. Good assignment score, plus decent exam. Pass with good percentage. Part 6. Your crowning achievement, the BCA project. In semester 6, you'll undertake BCSP 6-4, your major project worth 8 credits, 240 hours of work. What is it? You'll develop a complete software solution using everything you've learned over 5 semesters. Project phases, following software engineering principles. 1. Requirements analysis. Identify problem statement. Define functional and non-functional requirements. Example. Library management system. What features needed? 1. Design. System architecture. Database schema. User interface mockups. Use tools. ER diagrams. Flowcharts. Wireframes. 1. Development. Actual coding. Language of your choice. Java, Python, PHP, etc. Database implementation. Front-end development. This is where your 5 semesters of coding practice pays off. 1. Testing. Unit testing. Integration testing. User acceptance testing. Document all bugs and fixes. 1. Documentation. Project report. 50-80 pages. User manual. Installation guide. Source code with comments. 1. Viva voce. Project presentation. Demo of working software. Question-answer session. Evaluation criteria. Complexity. Not too simple, not impossibly hard. Functionality. Does it actually work? Code quality. Clean, commented, structured documentation, comprehensive and clear presentation. Confidence in Viva popular project ideas. Online examination system. Hospital management system. E-commerce website. Student information system. Inventory management system. Social media platform. Simplified. Pro tips. Start early. Don't wait till last month. Choose realistic scope, something you can complete. Keep backup. Save code on GitHub. cloud test thoroughly. Nothing worse than demo failure. In Viva document everything, every decision, every feature. This project goes in your resume. Make it count. Part 7. Your questions answered. The complete FAQ. Let's tackle every question you have. Q1. What is the exact duration of BCA? Answer. Minimum 3 years, 6 semesters. Maximum 6 years to complete all courses. You have flexibility. Life happens. Job changes, health issues, family responsibilities. IGNOU understands. Q2. What if I can't finish in 6 years? Answer. You can seek readmission for leftover courses, giving you an additional 2 years. Total maximum duration, 8 years, 6 plus 2. So technically, you have plenty of time. Q3. Is attendance compulsory? Answer. Depends on the course type. Theory courses. Attendance not mandatory, but highly recommended for doubt-clearing practical lab courses. 70% attendance compulsory. Without it, you cannot appear for term-end practical exam. Don't risk your lab courses. Attend them. Q4. What is the medium of instruction? Answer. 100% English. All study materials in English. Exams in English. Assignments in English. No Hindi or regional language option for BCA. Q5. Is IGNOU BCA degree recognized? Answer. Absolutely yes. IGNOU is a central university, established by Parliament Act, recognized by UGC, University Grants Commission, member of AIU, Association of Indian Universities. At par with degrees from all Indian universities, recognition is not an issue. Companies, government jobs, higher education, everywhere it's valid. Q6. When are exams conducted? Answer. Twice a year. June for January, June semester students. December for July, December semester students. You get 2 attempts per year if you fail. Q7. Can I appear for exams without assignments? Answer. No. Assignment submission is compulsory. No assignment, syllabus, no exam eligibility. You won't even get your admit card. Never skip assignments. They're non-negotiable. Q8. What are the passing requirements? Answer. You must score minimum 40% in both. 1. Assignments out of 25 marks. 2. Term and exam out of 75 marks. Example, 15 to 25 assignment plus 45 to 75 exam, the pass, 20, 25 assignment plus 25 to 75 exam, fail exam below 40%. Both components must individually cross 40%. Q9. Can I work while pursuing BCA? Answer. Yes, absolutely. The program is designed for distance learners, but you must manage time for 70% lab attendance, submit assignments on time, prepare adequately for exams. Many working professionals complete BCA successfully. Q10. How much is the course fee? Answer. Approximately $4,500 per semester. Total for 6 semesters. Around $27,000. Total for 3 years. Around $27,000. But fees are subject to change. Always verify with your regional center. Payment mode. Online, credit debit card, net banking, demand draft. Q11. What are career prospects after BCA? Answer. Entry-level IT jobs. Junior programmer, developer, web developer software, tester database, administrator system, administrator technical support engineer, network administrator salary range, RS 2.5 to 4, LPA, freshers, higher education, MCA, Master of Computer Applications, MBA, IT Management, MSc, in Computer Science. BCA opens doors. What you do next is up to you. Q12. Do I need to attend the study center regularly? Answer. Depends. Theory. Optional, but helpful for doubt clearing. Practical. Compulsory, 70% attendance. Most study centers have weekend sessions. Manageable even for working professionals. QB13. Can I get study materials online? Answer. Yes. IGNOU. Download all study materials. PDF format. IGNOU website. Assignment questions. Dates. Notifications. YouTube. IGNOU's official channel has video lectures, but hard copy materials are also sent to your address. Q14. What if I fail in one subject? Answer. No problem. You can reappear in the next term-end exam. No limit on number of attempts. Within 6-year duration. Only pay re-exam fee, not full course fee again. Failure is not the end. You get multiple chances. Q15. Is BCA better than BTech CS? Answer: depends on your situation. Choose BCA if you want flexibility, study from home, you're working and can't attend regular college, you want lower fees, you're interested in software programming, not hardware. Choose BTech if you want campus life experience, you scored well in G entrance exams, you want core CS, including hardware, electronics, you prefer structured classroom learning. Both have merit. Choose based on your needs. Q16. Will companies hire IGNOU BCA graduates? Answer: yes, if you have skills. Reality check. Companies care about skills, not just degrees. IGNOU degree, plus good projects, plus certifications, hireable, build portfolio, GitHub projects, internships, freelancing, success stories. Many IGNOU BCA grads work in TCS, Infosys, Wipro startups. Some become freelancers, some start own companies. The degree opens the door, your skills get you hired. That's every major question answered. Still have doubts? Drop them in the comments. Part 8. Your Success Blueprint. Final tips. Before we wrap up, here are 7 golden rules for BCA success. 1. Plan your study time. Remember the formula. 1 credit, churn 30 hours. 3 credit course, churn 90 hours needed. Create a semester plan. Break 90 hours into weekly chunks. Stick to the schedule, don't cram last minute. 1. Never miss lab sessions. 70% attendance is non-negotiable. Mark lab dates in your calendar. Plan work personal schedule around labs. Missing labs, automatic failure in that course. This is the #1 reason students fail. Don't let it be you. 1. Treat assignments seriously. They're worth 25% but are also your exam ticket. Start assignments early, not 2 days before deadline. Write detailed, well-structured answers. Attend Viva Voce without fail. Keep backup copies. 1. Use online resources. Smartly, don't just rely on study material, e.g. and Kosh. Download PDFs, YouTube, video tutorials, Geeks for Geeks, Free Code Camp, etc. GitHub, see project examples, Stack Overflow, programming doubts, IGNOU student forums, connect with peers, supplement IGNOU material with external resources. 1. Practice coding. Daily programming is a skill, not just knowledge. Solve problems on HackerRank, LeetCode, build small projects regularly. Don't just read code, write code. By semester 6, you should have 5 to 10 projects in your portfolio. Employers want to see what you've built. 1. Check IGNOU website regularly. Check for assignment submission dates, exam schedules, result announcements, important notifications. Set a reminder to check every Sunday. 1. Build your network. Connect with fellow BCA students, WhatsApp groups, forums, alumni, LinkedIn, counselors at study center, online communities, Reddit or IGNOU. Your network can help with doubts, projects, and even job referrals. Final thoughts. IGNOU BCA is not easy. It requires self-discipline, but it's also affordable, or $27,000 versus Art 3 to 5 lakhs. Flexible, study while working. Recognized, Central University degree. Comprehensive, 39 courses, 99 credits. The question is, are you willing to put in 3 hours daily for 3 years? If yes, BCA will transform your career. If no, no degree program will help you. It's not about the degree, it's about what you learn and build. Your next steps. 1. Subscribe to this channel for semester-wise subject breakdowns. 2. Download the BCS 011 summary, link in description. 3. Comment which semester you're in or planning to join. 4. Share this video with anyone considering IGNOU BCA. 5. Check IGNOU website for admission dates coming up. Next, Episode 2, BCS 0111, complete summary, block by block breakdown. Episode 3B. Episode 3, no more fear of math. Episode 4, programming in C, MCS 011, your first coding language. This is Rapid Readouts, IGNOU edition, I am your name. Remember, your degree is a piece of paper. Your skills are what matter. IGNOU gives you the degree. You must build the skills, do both, and you'll succeed. All the best for your BCA journey. Hari Om Tat Sat.